Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And in today's video I will be showing you how to change Candy Crush profile picture. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Candy Crush application. Once you open up the application, you will land on this page where you will get two buttons, that is Play and My Account. So tap on My Account button. Here, if you have logged into your account or created your account using your Facebook account, then you won't be able to change your profile picture from here. In order to do so, you have to go through your Facebook account. But if you have created your account using your email or King's account, then only you will be able to change your profile picture from here. As I have logged in with my email account, there you will get a camera icon on this interface on your profile. So tap on camera icon. That will take you to the next page. From here again tap on plus icon from this interface. Now select an image that you would like to upload on Candy Crush. Then tap on done. Now if you want to adjust your picture size, you can simply drag your picture as you like. Once you do that, tap on save picture and your photo will get uploaded. Now again tap on back to game, and as you can see, my profile picture has been updated on Candy Crush Saga. So that's how you update or change a profile picture in Candy Crush. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any other further updates from our channel. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.